In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix sound distortions on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and then you have to click on Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on System. Then you have to click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Here you'll find audio with the Run button corresponding to it. So run the audio troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions, follow the suggestions and recommendations, and after doing so, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Then, go to the Windows search bar and type Sound Settings. Click on it under the Best Match. Scroll down and click on More Sound Settings. Then here, simply look for your speaker and click on Properties. Go to the Advanced. Make sure that this is the 24-bit. You have chosen the 24-bit and then uncheck the option Enable Audio Enhancements. Apply and then OK and click on OK and then restart your Windows once. Then right click at the Start button, select Device Manager. Expand the list for sound, video, and game controllers and you will find your audio driver. Right click, select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Then restart your Windows. Then for the next method, go back to the same device manager window. Right click, select uninstall and click on the uninstall button. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart to reinstall it into your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.